How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're checking out Daryl's bike. He had a pretty long ride, so we met halfway at this news station in the middle of nowhere. That's why there's a gigantic satellite dish in the background. If there's anything that you'd like to see from future videos, just leave a comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and enjoy the video.
It was originally a salvaged 2003 883 Sportster that I bought for cheap, and in plans to chop it. It had back end damage, so it was kind of the perfect.
Oh, was it actually like in an accident?
Yeah, it was a salvage titled bike. So
they were rear-ended?
Yeah, so I was gonna hardtail it anyways, so tore all the back part off. The only parts from the original bike are front part of the frame, most of the engine, and the back wheel.
What hardtail kit did you go with?
TC Bros.
Oh, nice.
Hardtail kit. Yeah, at the time, it was kind of what I found online that I could follow the instructions on. So.
The TC Bros one keep the stock like motor mount in the back, or like the?
It keeps the stock mounts. It would actually it cuts, so the frame's cut here, up in about halfway down the bone, and then down at the bottom. So this centerpiece, in the middle here, is part of the kit.
Oh, cool.
So all these mounts
is
are
the
the
oil
same
bag
places.
part of it, or is it?
Nope, that was another piece I got from TC Bros. That was just one that, one of the ones they sold. It was one of the cheaper ones.
It's nice to have the rubber isolators on there, because I had the Hayfley kit, and like mine would just would crack on the bottom.
Those are really nice kits. I do like those kits.
I love that one.
Yeah.
Is this sissy bar part of it too?
The sissy bar was a TC Bros sissy bar. The horseshoe, my grandfather had workhorses growing up, so this is one of his horseshoes from his workhorses.
Oh, that's awesome. That
I have welded into the sissy bar.
Are you like a fabricator? Do you weld and stuff?
No, I wanted to do this build, do a hardtail bike, and I didn't know how to weld. I took a one-day course at Rochester Arc and Flame to learn how to use a MIG welder. Nice. Purchased a MIG welder and cut up and welded this thing
these aren't
up.
bad.
So, yep, the frame. I welded the frame. I welded all the sissy bar. The handlebars are a pair of Burley brand narrow ape hangers, 16-inch ape hangers.
I like these. I like how narrow they are, and they're not crazy wide.
I narrowed them by 9 inches from what they were.
Oh, nice.
So this whole part here, there was about a 4-inch straight piece that I took out and welded it together, and then turned them in.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah, I love them. I mean, people don't know how I ride. The front end, I wanted to put a Springer and wasn't really sure what to go with. Found that in a friend's basement, had been in there for a while, so we put that on.
Does it ride all right?
Yeah, yep, it's actually pretty comfortable. I put a ton of miles on. I mean, I take this all over, I camp with it, the sissy bars for the bag, and the seat was kind of, I would just put that on, because I was eventually going to fabricate one, but those LaPera seats, I don't know, they're very comfortable, so I've kept it right on there. So.
Oh, there's a doggy. Yeah, I like the seat a lot, actually.
Yeah.
It fits the bike.
Yeah. I think he's out having
lunch. Oh, see you later. Did you paint the frame?
The frame is just rattle canned.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Yep. And the tank is painted by Chris Yurga up in Buffalo. He did a great job of all the burnishing.
Oh wait, is it pinstripe and everything over just the
he
brushed?
He polished it, and there's like a burnished prism and kind of this psychedelic pattern in here.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize. I thought it was silver paint. I didn't realize that was like.
So it's just a metal tank, and then clear coated.
It looks awesome.
Yeah, he did a great job.
The rat thing.
Yeah.
Is great too.
Yeah, he had actually done this originally at an NCMC event. I just had it raw. I had just gotten it and thrown it on. he pinstriped it and told me, if you get gas on it, don't wipe it because it'll take the paint right off.
Yeah.
Because I didn't have clear coat on at the time. And the first time I did it, overfilled the tank and just freaked out and wiped it, and it all came off.
Oh, no.
So that's why I ended up taking it to him again to redo it.
It looks great.
Yeah, he did the side of the
Who makes this? The like coffin style?
Plum Speed Cycle. They're out of Massachusetts.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So is this still an 88.3?
No, this has the SNS 1200 kit in
Oh,
it
it does?
now.
Nice.
Yes. Yep.
Is that like just piston and jugs then?
Yes, and I also have the cams. I'm going to be putting the cams in this
Nice.
this winter.
I love that Sasquatch points covered.
Yeah.
That's so cool. The battery tie down, is that all lowbrow too?
That's TC
Or
Bros
TC Bros.
battery box. Yeah.
I like the little saddlebag. That's cool.
Yeah. Just keep all my tools in that.
Oh, nice. And did you use like the factory one? Just cut it up for the.
No, that's actually from Gasbox.
Oh, it is.
Yep.
For the kitty.
And that's, yeah, my son gave me that. So
Nice.
glued it onto the choke.
Oh, it's an awesome bike. I don't know if it's just been like the last couple of years with the pandemic and everything, but I feel like nobody was like riding that much, and then
Yeah.
it's just obviously you ride the shit out of this thing.
I do. I mean, last year it didn't bother me at all that there was a pandemic because that's all I do anyways is ride. So, you know, I bought this bike. I think it had 14,000 miles on it, and I usually when somebody asks me how many miles, I just say 1 million. I don't know. It's